Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. This video I'm going to talk about getting out of your comfort zone and start growing and start venturing out into new places. And it doesn't just, what I'm talking about in this video applies to anyone, not just people that are doing online business, but getting out of your comfort zone, overcoming your fears and your hang-ups that you might have. A lot of times there are many things in our mind where we think, oh, I could never do that. I could never do that. I'm too shy. I used to be that way. I used to be that way when making videos. But then I just started using my phone like I'm doing right now. And I just started getting better at making videos. And whenever I do videos, I do it as if like I'm talking to a friend or a loved one or someone I care about, which isn't too far off from the truth, because I do care about you guys. I care about your success, whether it's online business or anything else that you're going after. I want to see you guys succeed, and it doesn't matter if you're a member of my team or not. I want to see you guys succeed in whatever it is that you're going after. Even in this crazy time we're living in right now, where everything seems so dull and crazy and everything. We're talking about war and different things like that. I don't want to get political on this channel. It's not what I do on this channel. But I still keep a positive attitude, because a positive attitude is so important to your health. If you're constantly worrying and always having fears and stuff like that, which are normal. I'm not saying you know, I try to develop in my mind positivity, a positive mindset. And that's what keeps me going. That's what keeps me moving forward. And that's what really helped me to get out of my comfort zone, because I wanted to accelerate my business over those years. And when I started making videos, I was starting to interact with other people. So getting out of your comfort zone at first may be a little uncomfortable, because you're getting out of your comfort zone. But you're gonna find that it was the best thing you ever do. And now what used to be your comfort zone or something you're uncomfortable of doing, you're gonna find out that, hey, I can do this. If I can do this, I can do anything. So and that's how I felt when I started doing videos. So get out of your comfort zone, overcome all your fears, overcome all of your hang-ups or worrying about what other people may think. It was really when I just started not giving a damn what people thought, is really when I started succeeding the most. So I'm not gonna lie, I had some hang-ups myself too. I wasn't and I have a friend who had a bunch of hang-ups too, and when he first started, and he got out over them, and now he's doing very well. He's actually he's doing a little bit better than I am, but that's okay. I don't care. I love seeing people succeed. But success will come if you start growing and start building an audience, building an email list, building whatever it is that you have to do. It's going to help you. And if you're going after something else, the same thing applies. You got to learn, you got to grow, and you got to just get out of that comfort zone. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to, you can leave a comment below and say hello. And if you have a question for me, all my contact information is in the description below if you're interested in joining one of my opportunities, and also the links to join them. But this video is for everybody. I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you guys. So don't give up. Get out of your comfort zone, and you'll find, in the long run, you'll find success in whatever it is that you're going after. But like everything, it takes time, but you'll get there. So this is Matthew Letendre signing off, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.